how to use Windows Media Player in Windows 11. So in Windows 11, the classic Windows Media Player has been replaced by the new Media Player app, which combines Groove Music and video playback. So you can open it using the search bar. So search for Media Player and you'll be able to find it on the results. So click on open and this is how it would basically look like. So you can open this as huge as this, and on your Windows Media Player you can actually find all of the videos and the songs that are available on your device. So as you can see on the home section, you'll be able to find your recent media videos, and then on the music library you would be able to find the music that you have on your PC or laptop, and then on the video library, you'll be able to find all of the videos available on your video library. So you can create a playlist in here, you can create a queue in here, and that's basically it. So if you want to view a video, you can simply select a video that you want to watch, and then you'll be able to view how this video looks like in full screen. And that is how you can basically use Windows Media Player in Windows 11.